So when you are using the beetle trap, you need to put oil, a little bit of oil inside here, such that when the beetle falls in, it can be trapped by the it can be stopped by the oil not to come out. So when you come back, when you come to check and you find the beetles, you take it out, then you go take out the beetles, and then you wash it again. This one, it is reusable. You wash it again nicely. After washing, put again oil, come and put it back on the beehive like that. Then you close. When you close, yeah, the beetles are going to die. All right. So that's it. That which you need, it is the feed, the feeder trap, the feed. You know, this one is called the outsider feeder. Basically, how does it work? So what happens is that you put it inside where the bees are passing. Okay. You put it like that. Then this feeder, come and show them. It comes inside the beehive. You see, when it comes inside the beehive, when you put sucrose sugar, which is mixed with the sugar and warm water, you put it here in a smaller bottle. Then what's going to happen, the bees are gonna be eating that sugar from here. Then from there, the bees will be fine during winter or during summer. It depends what purpose you are feeding them for, but for now